Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Christy Arellano, 36 years of age. I am from Cebu City, Philippines. I was born on December 4, 1988. I am married, blessed with 4 children, with one boy, ages 12 years old, 3 girls, ages 16 years old, 15 years old, and 2 years old. My hobbies are cooking and singing. I work here in the Philippines as housemaid for 4 years. Year 2018 to 2022, I served one couple with 2 children, ages 4 months old and 6 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of their children, teaching them, feeding them nutritious food, playing with them, and doing household chores like cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to save and earn money to support my children on their studies. I am willing to take good care of your children as my own. To my future employer, hi mom and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I am hardworking, obedient, trustworthy, and honest. Thank you, mom and sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.